Hello everyone, your neighborly HVAC company coming at you again, AirServe of Palatine. Everyone's stuck at home for a little bit longer. Just some DIY tips, guys. Remember to change the batteries on your smoke detectors, your thermostats, your CO detectors in your home. Little things like that we can do while we have the time. And if you get a free minute, go to our YouTube channel, AirServe of Palatine. We got about 30 videos on there. A lot of good information for you guys to learn about your HVAC systems and some tips for your home while we're all stuck at home. Get some work done. Enjoy these times. Be safe, be well, everyone. Miss you. We'll see you all soon.